What's up, my peeps? It's Cynthia, the Fitness and Wellness Guru here, and today we are going to discuss wearing the correct shoe for your activity. Particularly, we're going to talk about running shoes. A lot of people will grab running shoes off the rack, and that may not be the right shoe for you. But just on the side, when I owned my studio and taught classes, I would switch out my shoes based on what type of class I'm teaching. So if it was a fitness dance class, I would wear a shoe that has a pivot point that was easy to slide against across the floor. If it was like a HIIT training class, then I would wear a cross trainer that was made for high impact with all the jumping and the burpees and all that. But again, today specifically, I want to talk about the importance of getting the right shoe, particularly for running. Now, this is an old video that I did years ago when I was training for a marathon, and I realized that I need to get new shoes. So the quality isn't that great, but the message is still valid.
Hello everyone, Cynthia here. My shins had started to hurt with my runs, so that's usually a sign that you need to get new running shoes. So I'm here at the Big Peach Running Company to get me some shoes that are really made for my my gait and how I run. It's not custom made, but they will have you run on the treadmill and all this other good stuff and do some analysis. So I will see what we come up with.
I'm Haley McQueen, and I work at Big Peach Kennesaw, and I just want to say that it's incredibly important that people get fitted in proper running shoes. It makes a world of difference, especially from my own personal experience. It's really, really helpful. Running shoes are designed to be a custom fit. They're supposed to work with your body and the way that you run. A lot of shoes that you buy out in just anywhere stores, they're not going to be meant to fit your foot or the way that you move. Run specialty places like Big Peach, we offer a fit process where we watch the way that you run, we watch the way that you walk, your arches and everything, so that way we can get you in the perfect shoe that works for your body to help minimize any type of injuries or stresses you put on the body, so that way you can actually enjoy running. So get fitted, it really does help.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Guys, so you heard what Haley said. It's very important to get the right running shoe. You can't just run to like a Sports Authority or something like that and just buy a running shoe. It will definitely help you in the long run as far as injuries are concerned. The shoe that I want, they didn't have my size, so they're gonna order it for me, but it's the Brooks Adrenaline. That was the pair I had before the Adidas that I currently have right now, and they seem to really work for me and my gait. So until next time, guys, I hope you found this information helpful. Bye.